Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Today, I will discuss a new approach to improving the reasoning abilities of AI models. The approach, named SkillFactory, enables AI to learn cognitive skills without needing a stronger model to learn from, which is the normal method. Page 1 shows how the process works at a high level. The key idea is to have the model learn from its own attempts at problem solving. This is done by rearranging the model's outputs to create training data that mimics specific reasoning skills and is shown in detail on page 2. One such skill is verification, where the model checks its own answers. Another skill is retrying, where the model attempts a problem again using a different method if the first attempt fails. SkillFactory consists of generating responses and reflection traces, then rearranging them to teach reasoning skills. A model is then trained in 2 stages, first with supervised fine-tuning, SFT, and then with reinforcement learning, RL. The evaluation demonstrates that models initialized with SkillFactory are able to generalize to harder versions of tasks and are more resistant to performance decline on out-of-domain tasks. This suggests that biases learned prior to RL help models learn robust cognitive skill use. This part can be further seen in the diagram on page 7, which compares different configurations of their approach. The researchers found that SkillFactory models produced longer reasoning traces, which often leads to higher quality. This suggests that the method helps models engage more deeply with the problem-solving process, enabling richer and more considered responses. This is shown in Figure 5 on page 9. In summary, SkillFactory presents a novel way to instill cognitive reasoning skills in language models by enabling the models to generate outputs that resemble retry and verification patterns. This self-distillation approach enhances the models to perform better on harder tasks and out-of-distribution scenarios. Overall, this research highlights the importance of learning and utilizing inductive biases to develop AI models with more robust cognitive capabilities. If models can learn from themselves, this method has the potential to unlock new levels of AI performance and applicability, especially in situations where the models need to think creatively or handle imperfect information. This could lead to AIs that are not only smarter, but also more adaptable and resilient in the face of real-world challenges.